Hi everyone! Today I'm going to roast chicken and potato in oven bake. It's not only delicious but it's also a good idea for a quick and simple dinner. So let's start it. I'm going to start by preparing the chicken. I use chicken thighs, but you can use a whole chicken. We need 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Mix to combine half teaspoon of ground black pepper, half teaspoon of powdered chili pepper, and half teaspoon of turmeric. Spread teaspoon of salt over the chicken thighs. Of course, take salt to your taste. Then spread the spices. Also, I use half teaspoon of dried thyme. Let it rest for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I prepare the vegetables. Chop 2 pounds of washed and peeled potatoes, 1 medium onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. Put it all in a bowl, add spices to your taste. I use half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. And 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix well all together. So all the ingredients are ready. Put the vegetables and chicken thighs in the oven bake. Then seal the bag with enclosed tile. few holes in the bag to let the air out, so the bag doesn't explode once in the oven. After that, baking in preheated oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. This timing based on my oven, so your timing may vary. By the way, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. My dinner is ready. This is so hot. Make sure you are being really careful when you take this out. Let it sit for a few minutes, then open the bag and let it cool to room temperature. And enjoy the dinner. It's simple to make and so juicy and delicious. I think your family will love this dinner. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.